and welcome to the Natural Loctician Certificate Course Level 3. My name's Emma and I'm the owner, founder, loctician and trainer of Divine Dreadlocks Australia. In this course, I'll be going over how to do difficult dreadlock maintenance. I'm using two different models for this course. The Part A tutorials will be on my client Beck with her thick fuzzy regrowth, and the Part B tutorials will be done on Terry, who has crazy freeform dreads. Dreadlock maintenance that's difficult and tricky can be really challenging, but the after results, as I'm sure you can agree, can be really astounding. People look so amazing afterwards. It's a huge transformation. You're really changing someone's perception of themselves and helping to raise their vibration. Cleaning up messy dreads can really lift a person's confidence, and you'll see that reflected in their massive smiles when you finish the job. So go out there and turn all those crazy, messy dreadlocks into beautiful divine dreadlocks. And I hope you have fun. To get the Natural Loctician Certificate Course Level 3 on difficult maintenance, or to enrol in the new Advanced Loctician Certificate Course, which has levels 1, 2 and 3 combined, either email divinedreadlockstraining@gmail.com or click on the link or button somewhere around this video for more info.